Philosophy and Sociology of Physical Activity. Have you ever asked, I wonder why kinesiology matters? Or how does kinesiology positively contribute to the world? This type of big question is the domain of kinesiology professionals that study the philosophy of sports and physical activity. Philosophy is the study of wisdom, and some kinesiology professionals devote their career to researching philosophical questions that relate to sports and physical activity. Sports philosophers might consider ethical issues such as performance-enhancing drugs or whether athletes should be held up as role models. If you continue studies in kinesiology, you might take a philosophy of sport and physical education class where you dive into these topics. Maybe you wonder about the role of gender or race or ethnicity or socioeconomic factors in the opportunities available to participate in sport and physical activity. Do some individuals have greater opportunity to be physically active than others, and what contributes to this difference? What does this say about the types of changes and resources that are needed to bring greater equality? How do humans and social groups interact with sports and physical activity? All of these questions fall into the realm of kinesiology professionals that study the sociology of sport and physical activity. You also may take a class in the sociology of sports as you move forward in your academic studies. Both philosophy and sociology are subdisciplines of the academic discipline of kinesiology. An academic discipline is a field of study, and kinesiology is one example. Other academic disciplines you may have studied in school include history or math or biology. A subdiscipline is a specific area of study within the larger academic discipline, in this case, kinesiology. Subdisciplines will change and evolve as the field of kinesiology changes and new knowledge is acquired. At this time, kinesiology is a new and vibrant academic discipline with lots of potential for exciting new areas of study. It is likely that new career opportunities and knowledge that haven't been created or discovered yet will be available to you as you move forward in your career. It's an exciting time to be a kinesiology professional.